on ABC 24 News, meteorologist Trevor Birchett with the Mid-South certified most accurate forecast.
All right, we got a lot to talk about weather-wise on this New Year's Eve. Let's jump right in. We're going to start off with our temperatures, which are way too warm for this time of year. 69 already in Memphis, 68 Holly Springs, 64 Tunica, already 70 in Clarksdale and Oxford, mid to upper 60s in West Tennessee and in eastern Arkansas as well. Through the rest of the day today, we're not expecting a lot more rain during the daylight hours. We are going to remain mostly cloudy, but we are expecting some more rain to move in later tonight, and that could impact those New Year's Eve celebrations. Take a look at this. 6 p.m. I think we're okay. If you want to do an early dinner, I think you're good. Even by 7 or 8 p.m., most of us are going to be dry, but really closer to 9 p.m. tonight, we're going to see some spotty storms develop, and they will become more widespread as we get closer to midnight and early tomorrow morning. It's not going to rain all night tonight. It's going to be rather quick, and then it'll be out of here if it does happen to rain on you. But anywhere from 9 p.m. tonight to 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning, that's when that first round of storms is going to be coming through. Gusty winds and heavy rain, the main concern with this batch. But as we go into tomorrow, we've got a second batch of storms to deal with, also producing damaging winds and heavy rain. But we've also got a low end threat then of a weak tornado or maybe even some small hail. So really, we've got this entire time frame, 10 p.m. tonight to 7 p.m. tomorrow, that we're going to have to watch very carefully for some strong storms. It's not going to be raining that whole time. In fact, we're going to have a nice break from the rain tomorrow morning, but that is the time frame that we're going to have to watch. Again, heavy rain, the biggest concern for me, mainly north of I-40, places like Jonesboro, Poinsett County, into Blytheville and Dyersburg could easily see 2 to 3, maybe 4 inches of rain, closer to an inch or 2 for everybody else. A flash flood watch in effect north of Memphis. So if you're prone to flooding in your area, definitely want to keep that in mind. Again, lunchtime today, not looking too bad. Cloud cover and warm for most of us. As we go toward tonight, though, 9 p.m., there you see that line of storms approaching, and it's going to be close to Memphis by midnight. So here's midnight as we're ringing in 2022. Some showers, maybe some thunderstorms trying to poke into the Memphis area. But again, it is not expected to rain all night. By 4 a.m., some lighter rain developing. And then we've got to watch round 2. That's going to come in tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So between noon and 6 p.m. is the time frame we're going to watch for tomorrow. That could produce some strong storms, maybe even some severe weather. But that looks to be out of here by 8 p.m. tomorrow. So things looking good going into tomorrow night. That's when it gets cold, though. Much colder air filters in. Might even see a snowflake or two on Sunday if enough moisture is caught up behind that front. I don't expect a whole lot of snow. You'll be lucky if you see any, and it's definitely not going to stick. 73 tomorrow, 35 on Sunday. That's a 38-degree change in 24 hours, and it's going to feel like the teens and the 20s on Sunday morning. After that, we stay in the 40s and 50s going into next week, a mix of sunshine and clouds and maybe a little bit more rain going into Thursday. ABC 24 News Midday's back right after this break. Don't go anywhere.